everyone, welcome to my nookery. My name is Linda and I live in the UK, and in today's video it is called WIP Wednesday. But this is WIP Wednesday is about the WIPs that I've got left over from 2023. I have got 3 blankets to share with you because I managed to actually finish the last 3 that I didn't think I'd get finished, but I did. I got them done. So the 3 WIPs, 2 of them are from Advents, from my Advents from 2023, and one of them is the Cozy Memories blanket by I should know this, Shelley Dupont. And this is what I've done so far. I'm still working on it, and the I've started adding other squares. What this is Kitey, the Yarn Whisperers yarn. So at the moment I'm using making a start on the other Advent that I've got left over, which is my Yarny Corner. So I've made a start on that, and I will go back and add more of Kitey's yarn to it. So this is going to be an ongoing blanket for this year, and I've decided that on Sundays it's going to be my blanket making day for this year. Because obviously I do want to get this cozy, and I thought I know Kay from the Crazy Sock Lady, she does a scrappy Sunday, so I thought, well, it's more like an Advent Sunday actually, because you'll find out. So what I'm going to call it is Advent Sunday, where on Sundays I'm going to work on the 3 Advent projects that I've got. So this is just one of them. This is a knitted, and I just love this pattern, and it's, even though I'm using finger weight, guys, it's dead squishy. You can see how squishy that is. So that is just one of them. The second one from this year's Advent is the jelly roll, and this is by Kay Jones from the Bakery Bears. And as you can see, I've worked all, this was the last of my Yarny corners, so I've done all of them, and then I've started using Kitey's yarn on this, and I'm going to mix and match. And this is such a nice relaxing television watching. So again, this is going to be another Advent blanket that's going to be worked on a Sunday, time permitting, obviously, when I'm away and stuff like that. And but yeah, this is definitely, if I don't do it on a Sunday, I'll work on it while I'm watching TV. And I'm really liking this blanket. I've had my eye, and again the yarn from, I must say, the yarn from my Advents from 2023 were lovely. Kitey's and Alex's, my Yarny Corner, and Kitey from the Yarn Whisperer, their yarn beautiful. Botanical Yarns was beautiful. I was just a bit disappointed in the start of the Advent with the colours, but I made a wrap with that, and I actually finished that in 2023. So that is my second. So this is 2 blankets for Advent Sundays. The third one is an ongoing one, and this is my Advent from 2022. Was it? No, 21. I didn't do one in 2021, and this is my star flower. There is a tutorial out on the YouTube streets for this blanket, and I will link it below. And yeah, so I've still got this, let me just wind this up. So this was this advent I got from Reggie from J Hook Crochet. So I've got them two skeins, balls of yarn, and once they're done, the blanket's done. It's going to be, and I've got this little bit left, as you can see, just a little bit. And I think I've lost the hook. Where's the hook? Oh yeah, hook's in here. So yeah, so they are, can you see now why I've called it my Advent? I'm going to call it Advent Sunday. So Sundays are going to be my Advents, and they're in the little bags by Arjun. Arjun made this one, and she made this one, just little shoppers. And obviously my Harry Potter, you all know I'm a big Harry Potter Gryffindor. I'm Gryffindor, so that has got those blankets in. So there, my 3 WIPs left over from 2023, which I'm going to work on. There's no rush. I'm not pressurizing myself. And this year is going to be, 2024 is going to be about enjoying the process. If something doesn't give me joy, bring me joy, makes me happy, smiley, then it gets frogged. Sometimes the yarn doesn't like the project because the yarn speaks to me and it says, no, I don't want to be that. No, don't think so. So I frog it and I use it on something else. And this year, 2024, is also the year of shopping my stash. Yes, you heard it here, shopping my stash. I've got, I think I've got about, not counting these, I think I've got about 12 projects. Some are waiting to be started, and they're all from my stash. So we'll see how I progress with that, and let's fingers crossed that I do. And the only time I have a sock club, which from Beehive Yarns, which I will continue having. And if June and I go to festivals, yarn festival, if June and I get to a yarn festival this year, we will be, I will spend some money on yarn then. But other than that, I'm not getting any more yarn. So, yeah, unless hubby treats me, you never know. So anyway, guys, that's all from me for today. I hope you've enjoyed. What WIPs have you got left over from 2023? Have you got a lot of WIPs that have been left over from a few that have been put away, put in the naughty corner, put in the garage? I am actually going to be starting to do a WIP Wednesday every other Wednesday, where I will share with you the WIPs that I have on the go. I'm going to pick one WIP a week and talk about it, talk about the pattern, the design, how my opinion, how I feel about the pattern, whether it's going to be continued on or whether I'm going to frog it. I'm going to do that hopefully once a week every Wednesday, which is going to be called WIP Wednesday with Linda. So we'll see how that goes. Other than that, that's all from me for today. I hope you all have a wonderful, wonderful day, whatever you have planned. And let me know what you think about my WIP Wednesday. Would you be interested in seeing something like that from me? If so, just leave a comment. And if you're new here, welcome and thank you for joining me. And please think about hitting the bell icon and subscribe and like this video. And until the next time, bye bye for now.